course, we're using Peebo Vegan Body Wash. Ay, sorry. Ayan na. Yan. There. Guys, it's been 3 months and up, okay? You're enjoying. She loves the water, surprisingly. Oh. Tahimik siya. Guys, she's crying kasi inangat na siya sa water. Gonna apply this vegan baby cream. Where are you going? Why is your suot so pretty, huh? Why? Just a little, because little goes a long way, I swear. Ah. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. There. You're so cute. You're so cute.